Hello students. So moving forward, today we are going to study the fourth type of asexual reproduction, which is by gemule formation. See, as you can see, a gemule is a cluster of undifferentiated cells enclosed by spicules. As you can see the definition. Now I am going to explain you what a gemule is. See, as per the definition, it says gemule is a cluster of undifferentiated cells. Now a cluster means a group, a group of undifferentiated cells. Now what does undifferentiated cell means? An undifferentiated cell is a cell which does not have any work to do. That cell is called undifferentiated cell. So the group of such undifferentiated cells which is enclosed by spicules. Now spicules are elongated cells, they look like spines, and such a group of cell is called a gemule. Now this type of gemule you can find it in sponges. What are sponges? Sponges are animal like structures. They come under the category of animals, and they are present in water bodies. They can be either marine as well as freshwater. The diagram of that sponges is shown here. This is the diagram of sponge, and such sponges reproduce asexually by forming a gemule in their body. So sponges, uh, as you can see in the body of sponges, I have made some dots. Now each dot represents a gemule. The sponges, what they do, these sponges inside their body, they develop such structures called as gemule. The magnified view of one gemule is shown to you in this diagram. Now, as you can see in the diagram, a gemule, it consists of central cell. These are cells. What are these cells? These are undifferentiated cells which we were talking about. These undifferentiated cells, as I have told you, undifferentiated cells, they do not have any work to do. They are just a group of cells here. These undifferentiated cells are called as archaeocytes. Understood? Then these cluster of cells are surrounded by specialized cells called amoebocytes. These amoebocytes are nothing but they only protect these archaeocytes. Is it clear? Then these amoebocytic cells contain special spine-like structures. These lines, as you can see, these are spine-like structures which are known as spicules. And this whole body is called a gemule. Now, this gemule is formed by such sponges only in unfavorable conditions. Unfavorable conditions, as I have told, the conditions which are not suitable for growth. Now, in certain unfavorable condition, the sponges for reproduction, they form gemule, and these gemules are spread. When the sponges they die, they spread such gemules from their body, and each gemule contain these cells, archaeocytes, and these archaeocytes further they grow and form the new body of a sponge. मतलब ये नया sponge form करते हैं. Is it clear? So let me summarize this again. As we were talking about the asexual reproduction types, the fourth type is by gemule. Gemule is a cluster of undifferentiated cells enclosed by spicules. Is it clear? These are the sponges. Sponges contain or form gemule. This is the structure of gemule.